Top 5 AI tools for small business owners. AI tools have completely changed how small business operate, saving time, cutting costs, and replacing entire teams. The best part, you don't need a big budget anymore. Many powerful tools now offer free plans or trials without needing a credit card, making them perfect for beginners. So let's go towards our first AI tool. That is the one you have right here, and you can see on your screens, and that is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your all in one business assistant. It's a powerful AI assistant that can handle writing, planning, and customer communication. You can generate emails, product descriptions, and social media posts. So if we go over here and write generate an email. And then if you put in more details for what kind of email you want, you will get that within seconds. And here you have several options. So you can generate an email template for a job application or about the latest tech trends and discussing travel plans for the summer. But of course, that's not what we're concerned with. And because we're talking about a small business, then they would be concerned more with an email, something like this. So you could ask them to generate an email for your client named XYZ, thanking them for their interest and let them know that their requested details about a particular product are attached within. So just send that in and you'll get this nice little email with a nice body and a subject. And it looks really nice and professional. And you don't have to sit down and do all of this. It would be generated for you just like that. And not just that, you can get product descriptions, you can get social media posts, you can ask ChatGPT to write captions for you. And then you can even discuss ideas. So you can create business ideas, plans, and strategies. You can use it to reply to customer inquiries instantly, and you can even draft website content and FAQs. So if you put in something like write a product description for a handmade candle business and send that in, you will instantly get a complete draft that you can edit and use. You can also use it for daily replying to customers or brainstorming ideas, basically like having a virtual employee available 24/7. And as you can see, I am using the free version here up here, and this is ChatGPT. So it's great for everyday tasks, and even this free version is strong enough for most small business tasks. Now let's move over to our second AI tool, and that is over here, Canva AI. This is an all-in-one design platform with built-in AI tools for marketing content. You can create logos, you can create any social media posts and flyers. You can also use AI image generator for custom visuals. You can generate presentations and ads and edit videos and thumbnails. So if you look over here and go down, you do have the create option here where you can create manually, but if you go down here to Canva AI, which we are at right now, all you need to do is describe your idea and then the AI will bring it to life. So I've put in modern coffee shop ad, and we'll click on design here and then submit your request. And there we go. The AI is brainstorming and it's designing our ad for us. We'll be getting a few design options and then we can select which one we like from here best. And there we go. Within seconds, we have our options. We have this one here, and this. And this is just absolutely amazing. You can go down here, you can apply your brand kit, you can add any images, and you can change colors. You can edit this more if you like, but just look at the AI generations. Absolutely amazing. So you can literally build your entire brand, logos, posts, banners without hiring a designer. Small businesses save hours every week using Canva's AI tools. So that was Canva AI. Now let's move towards our third AI tool, and that one is Notion over here. Notion, with Notion, you can organize your entire business. Notion is a smart workspace to manage tasks, notes, and operations. You can create task lists or project boards. So let's open up a page here. Let's see this one. Actually, let's open this one. This is the tasks dashboard, and this is just the title. So it's not an actual dashboard, but that's how you can design this. And then here you have a table in which you have all of your tasks. So you have one task here, which redesign landing page, then the other task, edit logo, and you can open the task and get all details related to your tasks. And then if you go up here, you have Notion AI. You can create an agent, you can chat with AI, you can request summaries from it. So here, if you go down, you can request it to write a meeting agenda, create a task tracker, analyze any PDFs. So with Notion, you can write and summarize documents automatically. You can manage SOPs and workflows, and you can even plan content calendars. So now let's give the AI something to do. So here I'm just going to say create a weekly content plan for a skincare brand. Submit that. And there we go. The plan is being thought of. And there we go. We already have our plan. So it's a weekly content plan for a skincare brand. The goal is written out. Then you have the content pillars and then day by day schedule. So you could post for either on Instagram or TikTok with stories and even emails. Then you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then according to those days, you have an amazing plan. This is just absolutely amazing. All I put in was create a weekly content plan, and it decided on TikTok and Instagram, and this is just so smart. And then here you even have a weekly email suggestions with subject ideas and a structure as well. So we got a structured plan instantly, and now you can turn all of this into tasks and assign deadlines and manage everything in one place. This is perfect if you're running your business solo or with a small team and need everything organized. So that is Notion AI. Let's move towards our fourth AI tool, and that is Perplexity AI. Perplexity is an AI-powered search tool that gives accurate source-based answers. And what I mean by source-based is if you go over here and you go over to connectors and sources, here you can decide which source Perplexity is going to search. So it could be from the web, it could be only academic, it could be social, or a combination of these. With Perplexity, you can do market and competitor research. You can find any trending product ideas, get summarized insights with sources, and also research keywords and niches. So let's just try it out and put in a nice prompt. So I've put in best-selling products in 2026 for small businesses. Now let's make this a little specific. And you do have suggestions down here. So small businesses in. So maybe we should put in a location as well. So there we go. I've changed that and I've put in for small skincare businesses in USA to make it a bit more specific. And then we're going to send in our request. And there we go. It's searching the web. So we did select the web as our source. And whenever you're searching for anything, any topic for research or any product, anything trending, then you do want to select web. And there we go. We have our results. So the best-selling skincare products for small businesses in the US in 2026 tend to be simple hero ingredient items that solve common problems. And here we have face serums, we have barrier support moisturizers, we have gentle cleansers, sun care, and acne care. And then we have trendy niche products, which are higher margin. So, things that are trending, such as glass skin or scar tapes or peptide serums. And these actually are really trending products. So, why these work for small brands? And then you have the reasoning for that. And then you even have follow ups. And what's the amazing part here is that you have the source here linked for every little thing that's being mentioned. So it's not just anything random. You actually have credible sources being referenced in here. And then you can just open up that source and go to it. Or if you go down here, you can access all the sources together from here. And you have basically 20 sources. And you can view them here in the form of a list and go to any one of these if you want to read more about it. So this is like authentic information and really good analysis of what's going to work well in the market. So instead of random links, you get a clear summarized answer with sources. And this makes research much faster compared to traditional Google searches. And this would honestly be very useful when you're validating ideas or planning any new product. So that is Perplexity for you. Now let's go over to our last AI tool, and that one is Zapier. Automation without coding. If you want to automate repetitive work, then this is a game changer. If you go over here, you have app connections, as you can see, and you can connect apps like Gmail, Spotify, and Google Sheets. So you have connections, and if you go to apps, click on add connection, and let's put in Google. You have Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Drive, and all of these. And let's go back and see you have Google Analytics, you have Lightspeed, you have Buy Me a Coffee and a Bucket, you have all of these apps which are available, which is a really, really long list. And there we go. So many options to choose from, and you can connect these apps. You can automate your tasks like email responses or lead tracking, and you can build workflows without coding. So for example, you can automatically save customer emails into a spreadsheet or send follow-ups instantly. So if we come back to home over here, we have the AI, and here you can enter in your idea. So I could put in anything like send or save customer emails. And here I have some recommended use cases. So I have send CRM case update emails to customer contacts, or you could update new store customer records to disable invite emails. You could send update emails to customers after the profile changes. You can update any new store customer records. And if I complete what I was putting in, I have save customer emails to spreadsheet. And if we scroll down here, we can see that we can update customer consent status in spreadsheet on email click. And then you have update customer upload record and email guest link. So this is all really useful and very convenient. Most small businesses save 10 to 20 hours per week just by automating tasks. So these were the 5 AI tools that you can use and the tools for small businesses. Now you can combine these tools and create a simple workflow by either using ChatGPT for writing content, use Canva to turn it into visuals, then use Notion to plan and organize, use Perplexity to research ideas, and Zapier to manage your customers. This creates a complete free AI-powered business system.